Hey guys, it is your Vaping Minuteman once again with a store purchase review. So, see you in just a couple minutes. Okay, guys, like I said, I am back with a store review. Now, if many of you remember, let me turn the mic down a little bit. If you remember, I did a store review of Nicotine River. And Nicotine River is a DIY store. So that's the type of store I'm going to review today. Today we are going to be reviewing Bull City Flavors right over here. Now, Bull City Flavors is actually the store that I started buying all of my flavors off of. What I have found with Bull City, if you're not buying in huge quantities, they're great to buy from. Bottom line, they're great to buy from if you're not buying 4 ounces or you're not buying 8 ounces. If you're not buying a ton of flavors, which, let me shrink this. That's going to get on my nerves. Okay, now I don't have to worry as much. But if you're not buying a ton of flavor of the one flavor, but you're buying a multitude of different flavors just to get to know the flavors, they are a great place to buy from. And they actually have some that even Nicotine River doesn't have. But let's go ahead and we'll go down and let's talk about it. Okay, as you see, I did mark out my actual address because I am not going to show you guys, even though most of you already know where I live. I'm not going to give that information out on the internet, but I'm pulling up my thing so I can actually tell you guys how much I paid if they don't have it on the inside. So let me pull up my account with Bull City. Okay, so let's pull out the old trusty dusty knife and let's open her up. Now, first glances, I am looking at this, and the fact that it's just in a bubble wrap, it seems pretty nice that it's in bubble wrap. It's a bubble envelope. It was shipped first class mail. I purchased it on Friday and got it today, Wednesday. So, not bad. I had tracking info, so that was very nice. Oh wow, they've actually changed some of their methods, and no, they didn't. No, they're shipping it in the same thing they used to send it in. Okay. And actually they did have, so props to them. Now, I'm going to cover this portion. As you notice, I got cafe coffee and funnel cake. This is the two. I got 4-ounce bottles of them. Now, the main reason I purchased these, the one is one that I wanted to buy for a friend of mine who has been begging me to make him some of my coffee vape again. So I bought that so that I could give it to him. Now, the one thing I really don't like is they didn't have any more of the twist tops. They only had these. So it's really not a secure bottle. So I really don't like it. But I can always switch these tops with my other tops. So I can always purchase more from Nicotine River next time and just not buy tops from there. But I mean, in all honesty, I paid $9.99 for cafe coffee for a 4-ounce bottle and $7.99 for funnel cake. And that's about the average that I even pay at Nicotine River. So, but this is one of the bigger sizes that they have on that site. Like I said, it's better off if you are buying in smaller quantities to buy from them sometimes, because they do have like the cafe coffee that you can't find anywhere, or the funnel cake. The funnel cake, I couldn't find the Flavor West version on the other site, so I just got it here. Make the most out of my shipping. And Josh Vapes, he actually has a coupon code. If you decide you want to go over there, you can use JV10 to get 10% off. So, I mean, heck, it's worth using. And I watch Josh ever so often, and I thought, you know what? Josh has a coupon code. Why not use it? So let's go back up and we'll finish this out. Now, what's my impressions dealing with Bull City? Well, these bottles are a lot like the ones that I used to get from them. They haven't really changed their bottles that much. The only thing that sucks is I'm probably going to transfer these into my other bottles, just simply because I don't like these bottles. But, I mean, they're good bottles, and they'd be good for other things, but I just do not like them for e-liquid flavorings. But, I mean, they're bottles. I mean, that's all that matters. And I will tell you, if you get this cafe coffee, be prepared. It's a very dark liquid. I mean, look at that. Oh, let me flip this back down and I'll show it to you. Look at how dark that liquid is. And look in that cap. That shows you how dark it is. It's a dark e-liquid. Now, I'm curious because I don't know if these are color. Oh, no, these are clear bottles. That's the actual color of the flavoring. So that's a dark flavoring. Wow. That's the first time I've tried that flavoring. So we'll see how it comes out. You know? But now, would I recommend it? Yeah. Like I said, if you're new to doing DIY e-liquid, I would highly recommend using Bull City as well as Nicotine River. But I am heading out of here, guys, as normal. Don't forget, go out there, sign up for CASA, sign up for the Vaping Militia. Or what? Duh, the Vaping Militia don't exist anymore, guys. I keep forgetting. You know, come over, join my Vaporium. As always, we'd love to have you. But I'm going to finish this just like always. You got to fight for your right to vape. Yeah, baby. See you later. Hey, if you like what you've seen here, there's much more to come. Just click one of the 2 boxes up here in the corner. And you know what? If you've liked it, make sure to subscribe. Just click the little button right there. Talk to you later, guys.